Okay, to change the hydraulic oil, you should pull the screen in the back of the tractor under the PTO out. Everybody else seems to want you to play with them hose clamps and shove the hose up and out of the way. So you just have the elbow right there to pull out the screen out. But there's a bolt there that right there, that holds that elbow in. But you can take this bolt out right here that holds this tube, and that elbow will slide right out. The top of it has this hose, rubber hose with hose clamps, so it's loose and works out good.